History and facts of Republic Day. What is Republic Day? Republic Day is the day in which Constitution coming into effect. While our Independence Day celebrates freedom from British rule, Republic Day commemorates the Constitution coming into force. January 26 was the chosen date since it was on this day in 1926 that the Indian National Congress issued the Declaration of Indian Independence opposing British rule. After independence, a committee was created few days later on August 29 to draft a permanent constitution for India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was made the chairman of the committee. On November 4, 1947, the committee drafted the constitution and submitted to the Constituent Assembly. After 2 years of discussion, finally on January 24, 1950, 308 members signed two versions of agreement, one in Hindi and one in English. The constitution came into effect in 2 days later on January 26, 1950. Dr. Rajendra Prasad began his first tenure as President of Indian Union on that day. This established fundamental rights that should be enjoyed by all citizens of this country, regardless of their political benefits. It also establishes some fundamental duties for all citizens of the country to be abide by. Let's see some interesting facts of Republic Day. Between 1950 and 1954, the Republic Day parade was held at Irvine Stadium. Now it is called National Stadium. It is also happened at Kingsway, Red Fort, and Ramlila Gardens. Republic Day celebration have been held at Rajpath since 1955. Rajpath was once known as Kingsway in the honor of India's late Emperor George V. Every year, the leader of particular nation is invited to be the chief guest for the Republic Day parade. President Sukarno of Indonesia was the first chief guest. The parade starts after the arrival of President of India. First, bodyguards salute the national flag. Then, national anthem is played, followed by 21 gun salute. This parade is followed by marching from several regiments of Army, Navy, and Air Force along with their bands. As India celebrated 73rd Republic Day on Wednesday, Russian President Vladimir Putin sent his congratulatory message to the President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Though we are moving towards 75th year of independence, it is beginning celebrated as Azadi Ki Amit Mahotsav across the country. Jai Hind. Thank you.